Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Grok AI image generator. Step 1. Open your browser and head out to the official Grok AI image generator page. And then sign in or log in. Step 2. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the image generator or create images and tab and click it. This opens the interface for text to image generation. Step 3. Enter your prompt. In the prompt box, describe the image that you want to generate. For example, you can try this one. Step 4. You choose your desired aspect ratio, resolution, and style, such as photorealistic, cartoon, 3D render, or something like that. And you can also use Grok Styles presets or for popular aesthetics. Step 5. Click the generate and wait for a few seconds because Grok AI will display a preview of your image. And then you can click on any image to upscale or refine it further. Step 6. Once you are satisfied, you can click download to save the image or use the built-in editor to tweak lighting, color grading, or add overlays. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.